What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. Now, ever since I started rocking this pink purp hair color combination, you guys have given me a ton of requests to see the cut and color process that went into it. So this past week, I went down to the salon to see my stylist Sam and we filmed the entire process for you guys. Now Sam really does amazing work, so definitely go check out her Instagram page and be sure to give her a follow. And with that being said, let's roll the footage and check out this cut and color. Alright guys, so we're back at the salon and Sam is going to start out this cut by taking a number 2 clipper around the sides and back. Now since I'm going for more of an asymmetrical cut here, we're taking the clippers right up to my natural part line on the left side while keeping the right side longer and blended. Next, Sam is going to weave in some foils using some Schwartkopf lightener just to pick up any areas that have grown out or otherwise darkened. Once the lightener has had a chance to settle in for 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to go over to the sink and rinse it out. And this is obviously the best part because then you end up with this super awesome Fruity Pebbles My Little Pony looking rainbow hair for a few minutes. Next it's time to apply those colors, and Sam is using 2 by Pravana. The darker shade is their Violet and the lighter pinky purple shade is called Wild Orchid. To apply the colors, Sam is taking small diagonal sections of hair and alternating Violet and Wild Orchid. Now this is a little bit different than the first time I had it done because the first time I already had the dark purple in my hair, and so Sam was able to just glaze the Wild Orchid over the whole thing, and that left the darker purple sections in place while coloring the newly highlighted sections with the Wild Orchid. After the colors have had a chance to sit in my hair for a while, it's back over to the sink to rinse them out, and then back to the chair to finish up the cut. Now we're not really taking much length off the top since I'm very happy with where it's at right now, so instead Sam is basically going through to blend any areas that need it and do a little bit of texturizing. Once the cut's finished, it's time to blow dry and create the finished look. So that does it for this cut and color, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had a great time making it, and I'm obviously definitely enjoying playing around with colors in my hair and stuff. So got lots more content coming up soon. Got a bunch of product reviews, hair compares, and a number of other things that I'm still working on. So if you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please click it so you can stay up to date with all that content. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.